Hey, this is Shad with AdOptics. Just want to share with you a new tool release. It's a Google Ads audit tool. It runs an audit in less than 60 seconds. It uses the Google Ads API, and the way you can do it is go to audit.adoptics.com, click the Run My Free Audit account. It'll ask you to connect your Google Ads account. We only use this to pull the data to run the report. We don't use it for anything else. Connect your account, select your ad account, click continue, continue, and then you'll see a list of the accounts that you could run a report against. Click the report, start the audit, and this will give you an audit progress indicator. And within a few seconds, it starts to make the Google Ads API calls and generate the report for you. And you can see that our score is being benchmarked against other people who've run audits in our system before. It shows the AdOptics user average of 82. And in this account particularly, we have a score of 64. A couple issues here are the limited budget, not running a demand gen, things about ad group density and landing pages. These are all things that are reported in the scores. You could get more information on each one of the metrics that we track. There's over 25. And if you're ready, then you could either use our AdOptics tool. We also have an AdOptics done for you that starts at $900 a month. But even if you don't use either of those options, this is still a great tool for you to be able to see what kind of setup criteria that you have running in your account and how it rates to other people.